So for this one, find dy over dx and simplify whenever possible. So for number 9, so ln of y is equals to ln square root of x squared plus 1 plus x minus hyperbolic arcsine of x. So find the dy over dx. So take note that the derivative of ln u is equals to 1 over u du over dx. So our u here in the problem is just equals to square root of x squared plus 1 plus x, and then the derivative of arcsine, hyperbolic arcsine of u is equals to 1 all over square root of u squared plus 1 du over dx. So take note of that one. So we have we'll get its first derivative. So we have y prime is equals to 1 ln derivative ln u is equals to 1 over u. So square root of x squared plus 1 plus x, and then derivative inside. So we have our u here is equals to x. So we'll transform square root of x squared plus 1 into exponent form. So we have x squared plus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So we'll get its first derivative of that one. So we have 1 half power rule. So let's copy inside. So 1 half minus 1 is equals to negative 1 half. So derivative inside is 2x. So plus. So derivative of x is equals to 1. So minus. So derivative of hyperbolic arcsine of x is equals to 1 all over. So u squared. So we have square root of u squared. So x squared plus 1. Derivative of x is just equals to 1. So we have y prime is equals to, just copy. So we have x squared plus 1 plus x. So we will cancel these two. So the remaining will be x all over square root of x squared plus 1 plus 1, and then minus 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1. So after this one, uh, we will combine this term and this term. So just copy. So we have y prime is equals to 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. So just copy. So we have square root of x squared plus 1. So we have x plus so x plus square root of x squared plus 1, right? So minus 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1. So let's rearrange this one. Let's rearrange this one to make have a nice cancellation. So we have square root of x squared plus 1. So we have to itself. So we have square root of x squared plus 1. So plus. So we have x, right? Square root of x squared plus 1 divided square root of x squared plus 1 equals to 1 times x is equals to x. So this one here, so let's have this as bracket. This one here will be cancelled. This will be cancelled, and this will be also be cancelled. So for simplification, we have 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1 minus 1 all over square root of x squared plus 1. So these two will be cancelled also. So the final answer is y prime is equals to 0. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to 0. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.